Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand about a wide network of Google that is called Google Display Network, GDN. So what does this GDN or Google Display Network stand for? The Google Display Network is nothing but the Google as a brand has partnered with more than 2 million websites, application, different platform, so that Google can showcase advertisements on their website, which is called as their partner website or partner application. And this entire ecosystem of Google's partner website and application is called as Google Display Network. But what is the benefit of this? The benefit and the biggest reason behind partnering with different website is so that Google can reach to millions of people outside the Google Ads system or Google's properties, because Google is not something who owns every website, and Google cannot be the owner of every website running on the internet. But definitely Google can be one of the partner on the website, and it has both the benefit for Google as well as the website owner. First, talking about the website owner, the website owner gets a share of the advertisement being shown to their website on their website by the Google each time when there is a advertisement being displayed or action being performed. On the other hand, Google gets more wider reach, and they can pitch to brand that we provide you wider reach via our partner website and application. And the best example to demonstrate these kind of GDN example, you must have noticed in your day-to-day life, whenever you visit any website that you visit on internet, most of the website have advertisement on them. So let's say I am on a website called speedtest.net. It is a very common website to check your internet speed connection. But even if you come on this website and if you don't have the ad blocker switched on, you will see these kind of advertisement. Now, how do you decide whether these are advertisement or just generic posters? You will see this I button. If you hover on it, it says ads by Google. It means these advertisement, these banners are here because Google ad system has partnered with this website, and this website has allowed Google Ads algorithm system to show advertisement on behalf of Google Ads on their website, and each and every time the ad is being displayed on the website, some portion of that advertisement revenue is shared also with the partner website. And not only this one, if you go any other, let's say news website, most of the time if you read any kind of news, you will see that multiple advertisement are there, but not every advertisement is by Google only. There are other partners as well. So how to identify? So let's say here is the one of the advertisement, and here you can say that vati.io. The advertisement is there only, and if you see ads by Google, the brand is vati.io, whom has run Google Ads, but this advertisement is shown to our website via Google Ads only. But if you see on the left hand side, if you hover on this Sony advertisement, you will not see any kind of this ads by Google option, because it is a direct ad. The brand Sony has directly reached out to this Indian Express website, and they have asked that I want to put my banner directly on a website for, let's say, this much of duration on your homepage or specific page, and I will pay you something. So instead of going via Google Ads, they have directly visited the website. But if you see now, this is called third party ad. If you hover on it, you will not see any ads by Google. If you hover on it, it says third party ad. Third party ad means it is not by Google Ads. Similarly, if you see on the right hand side, again, it is not by Google Ads, it is by third party or direct ads, but it is by Google Ads. If you see here, it is again a third party. If you scroll down, you will see multiple advertisements. Not every advertisement is by Google Ads, some are direct also. So in order to identify, you just hover on it, search for I button. If you see that I button, if you hover on it, and if it says ads by Google, it means that is ad by Google. And that's how Google has spreaded its reach via using Google partner website, that is called Google Display Network. And it is not about only website, it is also the mobile application, it is also the third party applications. So whatever partnered website or applications are there, the Google is able to show their advertisements on their website, and both the parties, Google Ads and the website owner, get benefited, because both get the revenue sharing plus the more opportunities to reach more and more people. So that is the Google Display Network is all about, and you can leverage this network using Google Ads dashboard to reach more and more people. And the best example is retargeting ads, remarketing ads, and the awareness ad. You can run via Google Ads, and you can reach to specific interest people or behavior audience people. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.